Hey guys, I hope you're keeping well. Yes, so today we're going to look at creating a program that would calculate a 3 by 3 matrix inverse. Okay, so we're going to use Python obviously and the SymPy library for that. Okay, cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. So if you love what you see, please subscribe, share the videos with your friends. Okay, Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, whatever Elon Musk calls it, and Instagram, uh, messengers, whatever it is that you could use, any social media stuff. Yeah, please do share. Right, cool. So let's get started. So from SymPy import is my star, right? Then init printing. Okay, matrix M. So 1, 0, and then 4, and then 2, minus 1, and then 0, and then 3, 5, 7. So that's M, right? So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to create a conditional problem, right? So I'm going to use obviously stuff regarding the determinant. Okay, so here we are. So if an M.det is equal to 0, right? Print matrix has no inverse. Actually, let me be very grammatically correct. So the matrix has no inverse. Right, and then else if M.det, right, is greater than 0, or M.det is less than 0, right, print an inverse exists. Inverse exists. Right, and then else, right, print why the matrix has an inverse. Right, so let's see what's going to come up with. Right, an inverse exists. Right, cool. Right, so just out of formality, we'll find the inverse. Sorry, the determinant first. M.det, right? 45, right? So that's greater than 0, right? And then we're gonna obviously create the program now. So def, right, or define mini minv, right, a b c d e f, then gh, and then I, right, return 1 by dividing the matrix, right, so a b c, and then d e, and then f, and gh, the I, right, dot det, so that's a matrix, right, right, and then multiply that by so I'll just copy that again, so copy that, so command copy, and then paste that in there, right, just make sure that I've done it right, right, dot, and adjugate. Right, Okay, right. So Minv, so min inverse, right? So that's going to be 1, 0, and then 4, right? And then the 2, sorry, 2 minus 1 and 0, and then 3, 5, 7, 3 and 5 and 7, right? So let's see. There's our inverse. So then if I do the proper the code, the syntax for that as well, m.inv, so there we are. So they're the same, right? Okay, okay, just do it this way as well, so hopefully that should work. So minv, actually let me copy that. Actually, no, don't worry. Yeah, you can clearly see that they're all the same. Anyway, they're the same, right? Minus 7 over 45, that 14 minus 14 over 45, and so forth. Yeah, 8 over 45, 8 over 45, minus 1 over 45, minus 1 over 45. Right, so yeah, so there we are. So it's just a quick vid just to show you about creating a program that will calculate the inverse of a matrix, sorry, the determinant, sorry, the inverse of a matrix. Sorry, I got mumbled up. Okay, cool. Yeah, we all have those days anyway. But yeah, so yeah, if you love the program or if you like the video as well, please subscribe. Please do share the videos with your friends, and yeah, I'll really appreciate that. Okay, fantastic guys. Have a lovely one. Cheers. Bye bye.